A K-shaped economic divergence is happening right now. AI adopters grow wealth on the top curve, while avoiders fall behind. By following this 4-week execution plan, you pull a 5-year lead on the market, locking your position on the upward curve. You do not need any prior coding experience for this to work. You only need a free ChatGPT account, an internet connection, and a mental list of the manual, repetitive tasks you hate doing every day. Over these 4 weeks, we will not be passively watching tutorials. You are going to build, execute, and publish a real-world project that automates a specific part of your life. Step 1 starts by narrowing your focus. Most beginners fail because they test dozens of different tools in their first few days and get overwhelmed. For all of week 1, you are strictly restricted to using only ChatGPT. Your daily action is simple. Pick 3 to 5 manual tasks from your current routine. If you need to draft an email reply, write a script, or plan a travel itinerary, force yourself to execute that task exclusively through the AI interface. To get useful results out of those daily tasks, you have to learn how to talk to the machine. This diagram breaks down the AIM prompting framework. A stands for actor, where you assign the AI a specific role. I is for input, where you provide all the context and details of your problem. And M is for mission, the exact output format you want. Look at the difference here for a job interview scenario. On the left, a vague prompt like "help me prepare" generates a generic, unhelpful block of text. On the right, applying the 3-block AIM structure forces the AI to act as a senior recruiter, evaluate your specific resume, and generate a detailed interview guide. An AI tool only returns the quality of the instructions it receives. By practicing this exact framework on simple daily tasks, you guarantee high-quality outputs from any future technology you touch. Once you understand the mechanics of prompting, you enter week 2. Now it is time to build a personalized AI tool stack tailored to your specific daily workflow. This matrix outlines the 5 core AI tool categories: large language models for logic, research, image generation, video generation, and audio. LLMs, or large language models, provide the underlying reasoning and text generation for your stack. You need to select 2 or 3 specialized tools from these columns. If your job involves heavy reading, you would pull from the research category, using a tool designed specifically for summarizing 50-page PDFs. If you need visual assets, you pull from the image category to generate custom graphics. Video and productivity tools take this further. You can use motion generation engines to create cinematic clips from text prompts, or use productivity tools to automatically format data into complete presentation decks. A digital marketer, for example, might combine a research tool to gather consumer data, a video tool to generate the ad visuals, and a productivity tool to build the final client pitch deck. Orchestrating a custom suite of specialized engines allows you to scale your individual output, effectively turning a single person into a multi-department production house. General exploration must end in week 3. To become highly valuable in the market, you now have to select one of 3 specific specialization lanes. Path 1 is the creator. This lane focuses on generating premium creative outputs, like custom thumbnails, animated videos, and user-generated content ads. You execute the creative work that previously required an entire production team. Path 2 is the builder. This focuses on technical solutions. You will use AI to build custom digital agents, automate back-end workflows, or create AI SaaS tools. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, meaning cloud-based applications that you can sell to other businesses. Path 3 is the engineer. This is the academic core. Here you dive directly into machine learning and neural networks, computing systems modeled after the human brain that learn to identify patterns in data. Your goal is building the underlying architecture at major tech companies. If your existing career doesn't naturally align with one of these, spend a few days actively testing both the creator and builder lanes. Build a small workflow in one, generate a video in the other, and see which process holds your interest. Having general knowledge makes you a basic user. Specializing in one of these lanes dictates exactly how you will extract value from the technology, whether you automate tasks, design media, or code the platforms of tomorrow. Week 4 introduces the final rule of the roadmap. Theoretical practice ends. You must build and ship a tangible project to the real world. You will encounter the perfectionism trap here. Remember that you have only been studying this for 3 weeks. The goal is not perfection. The goal is completion. Finished is better than perfect. The deliverable depends on your lane. A creator must post a fully AI-generated video publicly to a social feed. A builder must publish a simple web app or deliver a functioning automation sequence to a client. This public project acts as your definitive portfolio piece. It provides hard evidence that you have transitioned from a passive consumer of AI content into an active producer. Publishing a flawed but finished project breaks the cycle of endless tutorial watching. It proves your new capability to yourself, your clients, and the job market. Completing this specific 4-week execution plan changes your relationship with the technology. You have moved through the basics and can now deploy AI for complex, real-world tasks. Because the underlying technology updates weekly, mastering these exact fundamentals gives you a durable advantage. You understand the core mechanics, which means you can instantly adapt to any new tool that launches in the future. If you decided to specialize in the creator path, you can check the link in the description to join our dedicated community, where my team and I teach you exactly how to build, scale, and monetize premium AI advertisements. The K-shaped economy waits for no one. Drop a comment below with the very first manual task you plan to automate today and start your week 1.